Hello everyone, welcome back into our Friday night edition of the Fairbanks Evening News. Mike Schultz with you once again talking about the weather. And today we had some light snow this morning, a little bit of accumulation, but it just kind of moved out throughout the day. We had some sunny skies and a nice sunset. We're looking at maybe some flurries throughout the weekend, and temperatures will not change a whole lot. More about that later on. I've been asking for some Christmas photographs. They're starting to come in now. This one's sent in by Charmaine Van Rensburg in North Pole Santa. As you can see, they're standing up very nice and erect. And again, this is on the North Pole area. Nice colors, and as always, photos at ktvf11.com. If you have a Christmas photo you want to send, or any kind of photograph, be sure and send it in. Speaking of photos, of course, we've been talking so much about the Fab Photo Calendar. Well, there's still a few left out there, and you can pick it up at Personal Plus, Ice Fog Vapor, the Fudge Pot, the River City Cafe, 907 Organic, Big Daddy's Barbecue, Graphic North, and the Prescription Center. They make nice stocking stuffers, and they are free. How about that? Your numbers today, today's high 6 above, the low last night 10 below, the record high 52 in 1934, but 1 year later it dropped down to 53 below. What a difference a year makes. Sunrise and sunset about 4 hours and 27 minutes, a loss of another 5 minutes from yesterday. Our satellite and radar is showing the flow has changed a little bit of direction now. We're not getting as much moisture into the interior, and therefore we're not getting as much snow as we had earlier today. The overall pattern is not showing any major storms to be affecting the area, except for down over southeast Alaska. Once again, they're looking at more rainfall. And speaking of southeast Alaska today, well, Ketchikan had some rain, 41 degrees, a few showers around Juneau, and 26 degrees. Look at that, a thunderstorm being reported in the Kodiak region, probably thunder snow, and cloudy skies at Anchorage. Mostly clear skies on the Cold Bay area, 27 degrees there. Only 1 degree at Nome today for their high. Partly cloudy skies, 16 below though at Barrow, and Fort Yukon 2 degrees below zero. Temperatures across the country, here it looks like this. Some showers over the Pacific Northwest with rain in the Seattle area. Nice up and down the west coast. A nice day in Phoenix, 73 degrees there. Denver at 59, lots of sunshine around Dallas, just partly cloudy skies. At Minneapolis and over the East Coast, looking at temperatures very comfortable there too, in the low 50s to upper 60s in the southern sections of the country. Now the overall satellite and radar showing one system moving out. The one we were talking about yesterday moving on the Pacific Northwest is working its way inland, bringing with it some high elevation snows and yet more snow and rain expected over the west coast. In fact, you can see the train of storms that will be moving in next week, bringing more rainfall. Some of it could be flooding, strong winds, and heavy mountain snows. So they're really getting the El Nino kicking in to influence their weather. The jet stream, as you can see, rapidly moving from west to east, and that usually brings lots of storms with it across the northern sections, while the southern half looks pretty good. Okay, time for our weather fact for tonight, and we're looking at 1989, Lakeland, Florida. Temperature plummeted to 31 degrees, an all-time record. You don't expect that in Florida, below freezing. How about that? Again, thanks to Mount McKinley Bank, and next week we'll be visiting with the kids from Pearl Creek Elementary School as part of our Kids Weather program. Here's your forecast for the remainder of the night. Actually, I say for tomorrow. Flurries, AM, and fog for Barrow, partly cloudy skies for Nome, and scattered snow showers for Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, we'll be looking at flurries at Fairbanks and a chance of snow in Healy with just cloudy skies for Delta Junction. Over southeast Alaska, it looks like rain and snow showers in Juneau, scattered showers for Ketchikan, while over to the southwest part of the state, looking at mixed showers for Cold Bay, rain and snow for Kodiak, and partly cloudy skies at Bethel. And if you're heading down to the Anchorage Bowl, not too bad. Partly cloudy skies in Anchorage, mostly sunny skies at Homer, and cloudy skies for Valdez. And it's a Friday night. Time to take a look at our Winter Trails Report, brought to you by the good folks at Beaver Sports. It's going to be a great weekend for all outdoor activities. Plenty of snow, and all of the ski resorts are now open. Cross-country skiing will be fast with icy trails, and snow machiners, beware of avalanche dangers. There's a lot of that going around, so be careful there. Here's forecast for tonight. 6 below, partly cloudy, a little bit cooler than last night. Tomorrow's forecast, 11 above, mostly cloudy skies, just a slight chance of a little bit of snow. And the 5-day outlook, as you can see here, no precipitation in the forecast, and temperatures very consistent all the way across the board. Daytime highs near 5 above, overnight lows around 10 below. And for this time of year, this is unbelievable weather, but we're going to take it. It's nice, especially for outdoor activities.